How to fix no internet connection on CapCut. So if you want to fix no internet connection on your CapCut, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings on your iPhone. And then you want to just scroll down and then go with the screen time option. And then scroll down and go with content and privacy restrictions, which is right here. And disable this. Disable the content and privacy restrictions. In my case, it's already disabled. Now, once you've disabled, you can go back and you need to open up your mobile service or your Wi-Fi, whichever you're using. Like, for example, if you're using your mobile service, you need to tap on it and then enable the mobile service. For the CapCut application, go with show all right here and then scroll down. And if you've turned off the option for CapCut, then you just need simply go and turn it on. Once you turn on the option, then it might fix your problem. After enabling, you can go back and then try if it fixes your problem. Now all you have to do is just remove that and then head over to your settings application again. And I need to scroll down and then you'll find the general. You need to tap on general and scroll down, go with background app refresh. And from the background app refresh, you need to go and select your CapCut and make sure that this is turned on. If it's already turned on and if it's not working, then you can just simply go and turn it off and then again turn it on and it might fix your problem. And under the background app refresh, make sure that you've selected Wi-Fi and mobile data. Once you've done that, you can go back and then you can go and uninstall your CapCut. If all of these fixes doesn't work, then you can go and uninstall your CapCut. And after uninstalling your CapCut, you need to again reinstall it from your App Store or your Play Store. And after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. But before that, make sure to check, like, for example, you can open up your TikTok or your YouTube or any other application and check if your internet connection is working. Because if it's not working in any other applications, then CapCut will also not work. So make sure it's working. And that's it. These were the few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.